Hi, this is Stella. Welcome to my video. Look, I'm just a little bit crooked here. Let me just straighten up a wee bit, if I can. Okay, this is just a walkthrough of what I made with some printables from Scrappy Crafts Design. I'll put the link below once I've uploaded my video. This is my baking journal. We got nice tea time. We've got a little cup there and a cupcake. I added some lace. All the papers are from the design. Oops, that is a beautiful paper. Okay, open inside. I've just put that image there, and we've got a little pocket. And we've got 3 empty recipe cards ready for journaling. A special page, you can put whatever you want in there. Photos of your favourite meals. These concertina, the page is concertina out. Here we've got a pocket, and we've got some bits and bobs for notes or what have you. Some little tags there. Okay, and then open this way, and we've got places for your own recipes. Got a couple little tuck spots with some empty little cards for your own recipes or notes. Oops. And here we've got a nice little tuck spot there, and I've got 3 more of those recipe cards in there. Okay, that's the first signature. And the next signature, again, plenty of room for recipes. And then we've got, at the end here, we've got Grandma's secret recipe. Comes up like that. You've got a little card inside of a Grandma's secret recipe. Excuse me, I'm going to sneeze. Oh, excuse me. Oh, yay. Okay, and then we'll take it this way. More recipe cards. Just move that out the way and we can get them out. And we've got these cupcakes. It's a recipe card, and it comes with the recipe. The kit comes with that recipe as it is. Over here we've got recipe for cheese scones. These ones I've magnetised. Tea time scones recipe. And that's that signature. And this one, we'll go to the inside first. All these places to put your own recipes. And then we've got chocolate chip cookies. Okay, let's take it out. Lots of room for your own recipes. At the back we've got that baking journal page again, and we've got lots of little tags, etc. You can make notes on or cut them out and add them to your own recipes. And then here we've got 3 actual recipes. We've got lemon curd, cucumber sandwiches, and a Victoria sponge. And they're sitting there. Okay, And that's that. It is absolutely gorgeous. I love the papers. The whole concept is absolutely beautiful. The colours are gorgeous, and the album, of course, is just my own design. It's just a basic recipe book, nothing terribly fancy. Lots of room for your own recipes. And there it is. I've added some flowers that I made and some beautiful lace. Okay, if you've never used printables before, now this is my first time using someone else's printables, and the process is very, very easy. The printables are top quality, absolutely beautiful, but I will say, if you're printing them out, use your high quality option for printing. And I used cardstock of 200 GSM in white for the printables and my pages, and I used a fair bit of it, I must admit. But you can use 176 GSM, but personally I wouldn't go any below that. I like my pages and ephemera thick enough, you know, to really stand the test of time. Okay, that's it. That's my latest project, and I'll be putting this up in my shop at madeit.com.au. Okay, I hope you'll make a comment, tell me what you think, and take a look at the Scrappy Crafts design. Absolutely amazing. Okay, that's a quickie. We're only 7.5 minutes. I bet you that's the shortest I've ever done. Okay, I'm going to put this up in my shop now, and then I'll be thinking of my next YouTube project. Thank you guys. Bye bye.